In this video, we are going to be talking about green screens. Wait, where's the white? There you go. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel where I help you understand the basics of filming and editing to up-level your video production and tell your story. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you what a green screen is, how to edit green screen footage in post, and also go through the awesome ways you can use green screen footage for your YouTube videos. Alright, so just a reminder for everybody, I do post on other social media platforms as well, so if you want to follow me there, go ahead and check me out on these links right here. And without further ado, let's do this. So the green screen is a really powerful tool that is used in movies and videos. So green screens are typically placed behind a subject and in post editing is turned into a transparent background. So the proper term for this process is called chroma keying and is generally used when you want to fake a background or a location. Now, I know I said green screen, right? But today we are going to be working with this. Yo, Kenneth, why do you have a blue screen? Why is it not green? Well, you don't necessarily have to use a green screen. You can definitely use other colors, but the trick here is you don't want to use a color that is on your subject. So right now we have a blue screen behind me, which we will be using as the green screen. I'm not wearing any blue on me, not a lot of blue on my face or anything like that, so that is perfect. Alright, so now that we have our green screen footage, I'll meet you in Premiere Pro and I'll show you how to make that blue transparent. Alright, so just give me 1 second. Aha, there you go. Can you see me? Can you see me? So now you can really see the power of the green screen. So we're in Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial on how to change this blue into a transparent background. Step number 1, import your video. Once you have imported your video, make sure you drag them onto the timeline. Step number 2, add the Ultra Key effect. You can find the Ultra Key effect when you go to the effects tab right here and then search the term Ultra. Once you found it, just drag and drop it onto your clip. Step number 3, make it transparent. Finally, all you have to do is go to the effects controls tab, go to the eyedropper icon, click it, and then click on the color you want to make transparent. In our case, it's going to be blue. And voila, most of the blue just turned black, and that's what you want. So you have this final option in tweaking and adjusting the strength of your Ultra Key effect by going onto this drop down menu and clicking aggressive. Now just add a background clip that you want underneath that layer, and there you go. See how easy that was? Now there are a ton of ways you can use this green screen effect to enhance your YouTube videos. You can definitely use it like how we did to change your location. Now the next option is very common for gamers and streamers, where you can add your face on top of the gameplay while you are playing or streaming. Oh, get him! Get him! This kind of effect can also be used for presentations, like how we used it in the tutorial. 1 + 1 = 2. You can also use this effect on photos as well. And you can even use it to be the weatherman. It looks like today we are going to have an increased chance of raining soccer balls. But I think my favorite way to use the green screen effect is to use it for overlays. For example, using graphics and memes for your YouTube videos. You could search up on YouTube XYZ overlays or XYZ green screen, and you could use the same process that we did in this video using that Ultra Key to take the green screen out and use these green screen clips onto your YouTube videos. Alright, so make sure you hit that notification bell icon down below, because in next week's video I'm going to be teaching you the different ways that you can fix and salvage vertical videos to be used on your YouTube. As always, I hope you learned at least one thing from this video in regards of the green screen effect, and I want you to leave a comment in the comment section below on how you will be using the green screen effect on your next video. And on that note, that is all I have for you this week, so I will see you next Monday. Yo, why is it not green? Am I colorblind?